So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on history, and then click on history again. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to make the time range all time, and you want to select both cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both cookies and cache, and then click on delete data. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, double click on it. And then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected, and now under it you want to select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.